How to join a weekly therapy group session virtually in Groups Together application. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. To join a weekly therapy group session virtually using the Groups Together application, you will first need to enroll in a group and be accepted. So you will need to find a virtual therapy group that suits your needs and apply for it. So this might involve filling out an application form for or having an initial consultation with group facilitator. So once you do all of that, if you are accepted, you will receive confirmation and information about group, including the meeting link and schedule any specific instruction. So ensure you have Zoom application installed on your device. You can basically download and install it from any of your Play Store. And once you successfully download and install it, just choose a location where you are comfortable, participate without any distractions or interruptions, and make sure you have a better audio quality. And at the scheduled time, click on the link provided to join the virtual group session. And just like that, you will be able to join a weekly therapy group session virtually. So that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.